Do your countertops look like this? Outdated? Out of style? Tired and worn out? What can you do? Replacing your countertops can be messy, and for most of us, can require hiring an expensive contractor.
But why remove them when you can renew them?
Rust-Oleum Countertop Transformations gives you the durability you want with a look you love.
Wearing protective eyewear, a dust mask, and gloves, use the diamond-embedded sanding tool included with your kit to thoroughly sand the entire surface.
Working from back to front, use a 2-inch synthetic brush to apply a thick coat of adhesive base coat to the backsplash. Now, apply a thick coat of adhesive to the countertop surface and front edge.
While the adhesive base coat is wet, immediately apply the decorative color chips.
Sand the countertop surface smooth with the diamond-embedded sanding tool in the same way you did earlier. First, use a 2-inch synthetic paintbrush to generously apply a thick coat to the backsplash. Next, dip a 6-inch long high-density foam roller into the protective top coat and apply to the entire flat surface and front edges of the countertop. Congratulations! You're finished and ready to begin enjoying your newly transformed countertops.